Hold up. What if I told you there's a way to get a better deal than institutional investors who just pumped $100 million into a crypto project? While venture capitalists paid premium prices, retail investors like us can now get in at a massive discount through an NFT that's literally called Diamond Eggs. And trust me, the math on this is absolutely insane. I'm about to break down an opportunity that most people are completely sleeping on, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why this could be one of the smartest moves you make in crypto this year. We're talking about getting into a project backed by Binance Labs at a 40% discount to what the big money just paid. Let me show you exactly how this works. So here's the situation. There's this project called Goose that just secured massive backing from some of the biggest names in crypto. We're talking YZI Labs, which is connected to Binance Labs, plus Manta and Vertex Ventures, which is backed by Temasek, one of the most prestigious investment firms in Asia. These aren't small players throwing around pocket change. This is serious institutional money recognizing serious potential. The project's last funding round valued the entire network at $100 million, with a total supply of 1 billion CYC tokens. Here's where it gets interesting for us regular folks. Instead of trying to get into some exclusive private sale that's only available to accredited investors, Goose is offering something called Diamond Egg NFTs for just $350 each. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, another overpriced JPEG, let me break down the math that's going to blow your mind. Each Diamond Egg NFT comes with a guaranteed airdrop of 6,000 CYC tokens. Based on the 10-cent reference price from the last funding round, that's $600 worth of tokens per NFT. But here's the kicker. The NFT only costs $350. Let me repeat that because it's important. You're paying $350 to get $600 worth of tokens, plus a bunch of additional benefits. That's getting the CYC tokens at over 40% off what institutional investors just paid. When was the last time retail investors got a better deal than venture capitalists? This literally never happens. But wait, it gets even better. The $600 in CYC tokens is just one piece of the puzzle. Diamond Egg holders also get an airdrop of Goose tokens, where all holders collectively share 10% of Goose's initial market value with 100% unlock at the token generation event. We don't know exactly what Goose will launch at, but even conservative estimates suggest this could be worth hundreds of dollars per NFT. Then there's the 3x mining bonus. When you stake your Diamond Egg NFT in the farming pool, you get triple the normal mining coefficient for Goose tokens. This isn't a one-time benefit. This is ongoing passive income that compounds over time. Think of it like getting triple rewards on everything you mine just for holding this NFT. You also get governance voting rights, which means you have a say in how the protocol develops, plus priority access to new features before they're released to the general public. In the fast-moving world of DeFi, being first to access new features can be incredibly valuable. Let me paint a picture of what Goose has already accomplished, because this isn't some theoretical project with big promises and no results. They currently have 17,000 unique users, and here's what's really impressive. The average pay per user is $200 to $300. That's not just engagement, that's real economic activity happening on the platform. The 30-day retention rate is 83%, which is absolutely insane in the crypto space. Most DeFi protocols struggle to keep users engaged for more than a few days, but Goose has people coming back month after month. This tells you they've built something that actually provides value, not just hype. Their marketing reach is also seriously impressive. They've got over 120,000 followers across multiple TikTok accounts in different languages: English, Portuguese, and Japanese. This isn't just some niche crypto project that only degens know about. They're building a global community that spans continents and languages. The protocol stats you can verify yourself on Dune Analytics show consistent growth and engagement. This isn't just promises and white papers. This is real data from real users doing real transactions. Now, let's talk about the tokenomics and why the timing could be perfect. Cycle Network, which is the underlying infrastructure, is planning a Tier 1 CEX listing with token generation expected in Q3. When projects get listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, we typically see significant price appreciation just from the increased accessibility and liquidity. The pre-valuation after their recent fundraising puts them at $100 million fully diluted value. For context, that's still relatively small in the current crypto market. Projects with similar backing and traction often reach billion-dollar valuations, which would represent 10x growth from current levels. Here's something else that's got me excited. You can buy these diamond eggs on multiple networks, including BSC, Arbitrum, and Ethereum. This flexibility means you can choose the network with the lowest fees, or the one you're most comfortable using. No need to bridge assets to some obscure chain you've never heard of. The team has also set up a referral system where you can get a 5% discount if you use a KOL's referral code. Every little bit helps when you're making an investment, and 5% off a $350 purchase saves you over $17. From a risk-reward perspective, this seems like an incredibly asymmetric bet. Your maximum downside is $350 per NFT, but the upside potential is massive. Even if we're conservative and say the CYC tokens maintain their 10-cent valuation, you're already ahead. If CYC appreciates to even 20 cents, which is very reasonable given the backing and roadmap, your airdrop alone would be worth $1,200. Add in the Goose airdrop value, the 3 times mining multiplier benefits, and potential NFT appreciation, and you could be looking at returns of 2 times to 3 times just from the immediate benefits, with much higher potential if the tokens appreciate over time. The institutional backing gives me a lot of confidence in this play. Binance Labs doesn't just throw money at random projects. They do serious due diligence and only invest in teams and technologies they believe can scale to massive adoption. When you see names like Vertex Ventures and Manta alongside Binance Labs, you know this has been thoroughly vetted by professional investors. Looking at the broader market timing, we're potentially entering a new bull cycle where attention and capital are flowing back into quality DeFi projects. Golden Goose seems positioned to benefit from this trend with their proven user base, institutional backing, and upcoming token launches. The fact that retail investors can get in at better terms than VCs is almost unprecedented. Usually, by the time regular people can participate, all the easy money has been made by institutions. This feels like one of those rare opportunities where the timing and structure actually favor retail participants. Obviously, this is still crypto, and nothing is guaranteed. But when you can get $600 worth of tokens for $350, plus additional airdrops and benefits, the risk-reward math is compelling. This isn't financial advice, but it's definitely worth doing your own research and considering whether this fits your investment strategy. The window for diamond eggs might not stay open forever, especially if word gets out and demand increases. At current pricing and with these benefits, this could be one of those opportunities you look back on and wish you'd acted faster. Hope you guys are ready for this. Good luck.